Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Madame.
Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
D'accord, très bien, très bien.
Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, madame.
Moi aussi, ça va bien. Okay. So everyone, you remember what did we learn in the previous class? We learned accents. Yeah, accent. Yes, we learned 4 accents till now. 4 accent. First one, laxo aigu, laxo gra, circumflex, then sedil, sedil. These 4 accents we learned, right? How is laxosedi symbol? Laxosedi. How is it? Laxosedi. Is it laxosedi? You will be able to see only with letter C. How is the symbol of laxosedi? Like this. One small. This only. One small symbol like this. This is laxosedi. You will be able to see it with letter C. Like this. Okay. And when laxosedi will come, the pronunciation of the letter will be S. Pronunciation will be S. Example also we learned le leçon. Repeat everyone. Le leçon. Not le leçon. La leçon means lesson. Le garçon. What is garçon? Garçon means boy. Then le reçu. Le reçu is receipt. Ensuite, français. Français means French. Français means French. Then we learned ça va. What is ça va? Ça va means okay or fine. So these are the words we learned for sedil symbol. Now, today we are going to see the new accent, new one, 5th one. Accent is trema. This accent is trema. T-R-E accent M-A. Trema. Trema. Please do repeat everyone. Trema. And see the symbol? The symbol, it is so simple. 2 dots like this. 2 dots like this. That's it. Trema. It is just 2 dots like this. Okay? And trema, you will be able to see with 3 letters. E, A, and U. With E, désolé moi, with E, I, and U. With E, I, and U. Trema accent you will be able to see with letters E, I, and U. And when trema will come, there won't be any change in pronunciation. Everyone listen here. When trema accent is there won't be any change in pronunciation. But trema, what is the purpose of trema symbol? You will be able to see trema symbol in a word where 2 vowel letters comes together, and they want when 2 vowel letters to pronounce separately. They want 2 vowel letters to pronounce separately. Okay, you will be able to see this trema accent in a word where 2 vowel letters come together and where they want you to pronounce these 2 vowel letters to pronounce separately. Example, look here everyone. Please close your textbooks everyone. Close your textbook. Keep your pens down. Everyone. Just listen. Just listen. Close your textbook. Pens down. Close your textbook everyone. D'accord, très bien. So, see the example. In French, this word is maize. Maize. Maize means sweet corn. Maize means sweet corn. Okay? Sweet corn. Maize. There is another word, one more word, that is M-A-I-S. Without this trema. Without this trema, M-A-I-S. But the pronunciation is may. May. And the meaning is also different. Meaning is but. But. I am very tired, but still I will go to gym. Okay? Like that. But. So see, same spelling M-A-I-S. Here also same spelling M-A-I-S. Only difference is this trema. Here there is trema, here no trema. With trema, the pronunciation is maize. Please do repeat everyone. Maize. See, listen to my pronunciation. Maize. R sound and E sound is pronounced separately. Maize. Without trema, see the pronunciation, listen to the pronunciation. Without trema, pronunciation will be me. Me. So that is another word. That is another word. With trema, without trema, both words are different. And pronunciation is also different. That okay? You are now understood? When two vowel letters are coming together and they want those two vowel letters to pronounce separately, that time you will be able to see this trema. So, in a word, when you see trema symbol, you have to pronounce those two vowel letters separately. Maize. Please do repeat everyone. Maize. Maize. Okay, maize means sweet corn. Sweet corn. Now, another word is Noel. Noel. Noel means Christmas. 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 Noel. Noel. L'autre exemple. Heroine. Heroine. See, H will be silent here. Heroine means heroine. Heroine. Heroine is heroine. 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 Please do repeat everyone. Heroine. L'autre exemple. Ire. Ire. H is there. H is there at the beginning. H will be silent because it is coming at the beginning of a word. Ire. Ire means to hate. Ire means to hate. Ire. Ire. There is one more word, that is naive. Naive. Naive means in English also we will say knave. Naive means knave. That means very irritating, someone who is very irritating, very pokey, cranky. Okay, that is very naive. Someone who is very disturbing. Okay, naive. So please do repeat everyone. Maize, Noel, heroine, ire, naive. Naive. I hope the pronunciation and everything is clear for you. If you have doubt, you can click on the hand raise symbol. Yes, Nayanika, we?
Ma'am, in I, no, ma'am. It is.
In
I have a doubt in I. You put one dot.
Dot. Okay, that was a mistake. That was a mistake when I wrote. Yeah. Okay, Riza, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, it's so confusing and I have a lots of doubts.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, first, what's the meaning of sweet corn?
Sweet corn. Sweet corn, you never had sweet corn, dear? Never had that sweet corn you never had?
No.
That is a kind of, it will be coming in vegetable, I think. Crop. It is a crop. Popcorn, you had popcorn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the thing. Popcorn, not popcorn, the popcorn seeds. Popcorn sweets are actually corn. Okay, and we have the sweet version of that. That is sweet corn. Okay? D'accord?
Okay, ma'am.
L'autre doot? L'autre doot?
Yes, ma'am.
Other doubt? L'autre doot?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt you have?
Oui.
D'accord? Please do ask, dear.
Ma'am, you wrote maize, right?
Not maize, maize.
Yeah, maize.
Mm.
So in that will we put 2 dots?
Yeah, in maize, sweet corn, maize, we'll have 2 dots. Other one that is not maize, the spelling will be same but not maize. Pronunciation will be may. May. And that means but. That means but. Both words are having same spelling. Only difference is that trema accent. When trema accent is there, pronunciation also will change. That will be maize, and the meaning will be sweet corn. Without trema, pronunciation will be may, and the meaning is but. Next doubt.
Ma'am, will we put trema in A, letter A?
Trema, no. Trema letter won't be there with letter A. Only with the
Three,
letter.
these three
Only
letters?
with these three letters: E, I, and U. Wait. I will clear everyone's doubt. Just click on the hand raise symbol, then I will call your name. Aditi, put your hands down. I will call you. Riza, your doubts are cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can remove that hand raise symbol from there. Aditi?
Ma'am, how is you pronounced?
How you?
With
How is?
trema.
Once
Ma'am,
again.
with trema, how is you pronounced?
You.
You.
See, pronunciation is not changing. You itself. See, when trema comes, pronunciation will not change. E will be U itself, E itself, and U itself. There won't be any change in pronunciation. What I meant was, when two vowel letters are coming together, normally we will read it together. We'll combine and take the pronunciation. But when trema will be there, you have to pronounce these two letters separately. Pronunciation is not changing. That is, you have to pronounce separately. Maize. R sound is also should be clearly audible, and E sound should also be clearly audible. Maize. Maize.
And so can you give an example with you with trema?
U with trema is very rare, dear. U with trema is a very rare word. Very occasionally you will be able to see.
Okay.
Only these are the common. These are the main common. Commonly you will be able to see with E and I. D'accord? Mostly with I. Mostly with I.
Spell the word nay.
Maize. M-A-I-S.
I'm not that last one.
M-A-I-S. Same spelling. But
I'm starting with N.
starting with N. Naive. Naive.
What's the
Naive.
meaning?
Naive means, in English also the word meaning is actually naive itself. But actually the meaning is to someone who is very cranky, irritating, disturbing, poky, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord, très bien. Ensuite, say Adidev. Adidev, you have any doubt? Aditi, your doubt is clear, right? Adidev?
Ma'am, read heroine.
Not heroine, heroine. Heroine. H will be silent. When H comes at the beginning of a word, H will be silent. Heroine. Air. D'accord? Sarah? Sarah? Unmute here. D'accord.
Madam, when we are using this trema, if we are using this trema with I, before I, there's an alphabet before I, right?
Pardon?
Before I, there's an alphabet, right? That we will pronounce as in English.
No, not as in English, as in alphabet, the pronunciation we learned at the beginning. A, be, se, de, that pronunciation, not in English pronunciation. Maize, see, E sound is coming. The French pronunciation itself. Noel, then heroine. D'accord? Air, naive, R sound and E sound, that's clearly audibly there. Manjima?
Ma'am, I was having a network issue. Did you teach anything else?
No, only this one. This one you heard? This trema accent you heard? Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Ensuite, say Hridvi.
Ma'am, can you read the Christmas?
Yeah, pronunciations I will give you. Noel. Srihari? Any doubt, Srihari?
Ma'am, will the H sound always be silent?
or there will be some words pronounced with H sound.
H sound will be silent only if H is coming at the beginning of a word. Only if H is coming at the beginning of a word. Otherwise, H won't be silent.
Okay, ma'am.
Diya?
Ma'am, I just don't know because of network issue. What did you teach?
Yeah, I will explain once again. Now, just everyone keep your hands down. Just remove that hand raise symbol from there. Remove that hand raise symbol from there. Okay, so today's accent is trema. Then the name of this accent is trema, and trema symbol is 2 dots like this. 2 dots like this. You will be able to see trema symbol along with 3 letters E, I, and U. Along with these 3 letters E, I, and U. And when trema symbol is there won't be any change in pronunciation. Only what is the purpose of trema symbol? That is, when you see trema symbol, there will be 2 vowel letters together, and those 2 vowel letters should be pronounced separately. That is the purpose. Okay, those 2 vowel letters should be pronounced separately. Example, maize, R sound and E sound is pronouncing separately. Maize. Noel, O sound, E sound is separated. Then heroine, O-in, both are separate. Then ire, A and E, both separate. Then naive, A-E, naive. So those 2 vowel letters should be pronounced separately when you have trema symbol. D'accord? I hope this much is clear for you. Now I want everyone to copy these words here. Okay, Manav?
Yes, ma'am. What I wanted to ask is if the accent laxo trema is there, then will it only come at if there is 2 vowels, or
only comes when there is 2 vowels, and not everywhere. In there are words with 2 vowels coming together without trema. That time you can pronounce that word, that 2 vowel letters you can join and read. But particularly when we want those 2 vowel letters should read separately, that time only we will put trema. Only for those words. Not every word where we have 2 vowel letters together, everywhere you have to put trema. No, it is not like that. Riza?
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of heroine and
it is not heroine, dear. It is not heroine. Heroine. Yeah, we will practice the alphabet
English word heroine.
It is not heroine. Heroine. Yeah. Heroine. Heroine. You
and
don't
also
know
name.
You don't know what is heroine?
No, ma'am.
Heroine. Heroine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So can you say knave?
Knave in English, we will say knave itself. And the meaning is someone who is very irritating, very pokey, disturbing, cranky. Now, if your doubts are clear, everyone, please remove that hand raise symbol from there. Sarah, Hrudvi, Riza, Srihari, if you don't have a doubt, just remove that hand raise symbol from there. Srihari, you have doubt?
Ma'am, sometimes people in London and all will say perfume as scent, right? So is perfume French?
Perfume is not French. For French, perfume in French is having another word, parfum. Parfum.
Okay, ma'am.
Regarding this particular topic, anyone is having doubt? Regarding this particular topic, Hrudvi?
Mom, can you repeat that pronunciation?
Yeah, sure. Pronunciation, I will repeat once again. Felix?
Ma'am, what was that? In the trama, only the trama will come only in the words
About the words E, I, and U.
Yes, only E, I, and U. Only with E, I, and U. Not with
What
other.
about A?
No, it will not come with A or other vowel letters. Only with these 3 vowel letters.
Okay, ma'am.
Sarah?
Oui, madam. Madam, when we will use this trema, this, for example, when we are using this trema, in that word, any letter will be silent.
Yeah, the ending letter. See here. See, the word will be ir. See here, because H is beginning with this word is beginning with H. Here H will be silent. Ir. Here also H will be silent. Heroine. Then okay, so that is there. Silent letters will be there.
So, ma'am, for that first one, right? Maize, sweet corn. So in that
Ending letter also can come. Ending letter can also come. But here these letters are here we are pronouncing. Dako, Trebia. Okay, Trebia.
Madam.
We.
Felix, I have a doubt. Can you pronounce the word Noel without that trema?
Noel without a trema. Nol. 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 Okay, Dako?
Okay, Dako.
Without, when we pronounce those two together separately, Noel. Noel. Ensuite, say Aditi.
Ma'am, in the last word, right, you haven't put the trema.
Trema is there. N-A-I. But
sorry, ma'am. First word.
This one I gave for comparison. Mice
Okay,
and may. Mice and may. Now, if your doubts are clear, just remove that hand raise symbol. We will practice the pronunciation once again. Before that, I want everyone to copy these words to your rough book for once. These words along with the meaning to your rough book for once. Meanwhile,
and finish.
Okay, the Kotarebi also finished. That's fine. Meanwhile, I'll be taking attendance. When I call your name, please do respond in French itself. Adidev, Anil Kumar. Aryan S. Aryan S.
Abso, madam.
Aditi PS.
Preso, madam.
Ashwell.
Abson, madam.
Please wait.
Again.
So repeat after me, everyone. Mice. Noel. Heroine. Knife. Once again, I'm going to mute everyone and just listen to the pronunciation. Everyone just listen. You don't have to repeat. Just listen to the pronunciation. Mice, Noel, heroine, it is not, I am not saying ir. No. R sound is pronounced very little only. Knife. Dako? Once again. Mice, Noel, heroine, knife. I hope this word pronunciation is clear for you, everyone. Now, once again, please do repeat after me, and after that, I will call you one by one to read. Dako, Trebia, Mice, Noel, heroine, knife. Dako, Srihari, dear, unmute and read.
Ma'am.
We?
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Knife.
Trebia, Srihari. Trebia. Ensuite, say Hridvi.
Madam, maize.
Maize. It is not maize.
Maize.
Maize. We.
Maize.
Hmm?
Noel.
Hmm?
Erin.
Hmm?
Air.
Air. Hmm?
Nave.
No. You are pronouncing all the A letters as English. English letter A sound. It is not A. A sound is coming. Whenever you have this A here, the pronunciation will be A. Once again, read from the beginning.
Maize.
No, not maize. A sound. A. Maize.
Noel.
Hmm?
Erin. Air.
No, dear, it is not A sound. When you find A alphabet, the pronunciation is A, not A. This is not English. Read once again.
Maize.
No, not maize.
Noel. Erin. Air.
No, dear, it's not air. Air.
Knife.
Right. I will call you once again, dear. Okay, Hrudvi, I will call you after some time. Please do practice. Ensuite, say, Manav. See, those who are clicking on hand raise symbol, I will not call you. I will call everyone, but just you don't have to click on hand raise symbol.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove that hand raise symbol from there. Read.
Eyes. Noel. Heroine. Air. Knife.
Très bien. Ensuite, Izan Russell.
Merci, madame.
Bienvenue.
Maize.
No, dear, it is not maize. In French alphabet sound A. How will you read in French? A pronunciation.
A.
Oui. Now you read.
Maize.
Oui. Maize.
Noel.
Oui.
Heroine.
Oui. Heroine. A. See, laxo ague. Heroine.
Heroine.
Oui.
Air.
No, not A. It is not air.
Air.
Oui. Air. Très bien.
Knife.
Très bien. D'accord, Uzan. D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Navneet Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air. Knife.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Siddhi. Where is Siddhi? I saw Siddhi now. Yeah, Siddhi.
Wait, madam. Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air. Knife.
Très bien. Siddhi. Ensuite, c'est Félix.
Merci, madame.
Bienvenue.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air. Knife.
Très bien, Félix. Ensuite, c'est Joanne Paulson. Oui. Madame.
Mice. Knife.
Oui.
Heroine.
Oui.
Air. Knife.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Niranjan. Niranjan, très bien. I saw you are practicing. Very good. Très bien. Now read.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air. Naive.
Trebia, Niranjan. Ensuite, say Riza.
Nice. Heroin. Hair.
Not hair. Air. Naive. See, you are reading in English. Hair, naive. You are reading in English. French alphabet sounds. D'accord, très bien, Riza. Please do practice more. Ensuite, say Manas.
Mice. Noye. Eloin. I. Name.
Très bien. Ojas, you also read. Ojas.
He muted.
Muted.
Manas muted after
Wait. Yeah, read.
Mice. Noel. Heroin.
Heroin. See the accent? Laxo ague. So heroin.
Heroin. I. Knife.
Très bien, Ojas. Ensuite, say Janvi.
Mice. Noel. Heroin. I. Knife.
Très bien, tout le monde. So it's already time. I'm going to end the session. I know there are more students to read, but still we have only this much time. So I'm going to end the session. Everyone, please do write and study these words along with the meaning for 5 times. Okay, I'll be sharing the pronunciation and the words with meaning in your WhatsApp group. Please do practice. Our accents are completed with the accents. Okay, next class we are going to learn new words. So everyone, please do practice with these accents and the alphabets, pronunciation and everything. Okay, everyone, we'll see you in the next class. I'm going to unmute everyone.
Au revoir, madame.